Hello. Uh, another game na naman tayo today. It's called The Other Side. Medyo iba siya sa mga game na nilalaro ko. So, I think it will be fun. Right? Maiba naman. Apakaingin ng music, by the way. Like, nakakarindi siya. Well, let's see. What kind of game is this? Well, base sa description, it's about fixing and drilling. So, you do not talk about going outside. Why? You do not think about going outside. Why? This place keep us safe from the danger of the outside. Why? Out there is death. Out there is nothing. God damn. I believed that once. Until an explosion unfolded on the surface level. The crowd that gathered there, they all sue. And nobody was surprised when they were missing the next day. Oh my god. To keep people in a metal box, one must show power. But I forgot one person. And I saw. Alright, it's time to leave. So I think prisoner tayo. And we need to escape. Enter a clip. Click. And E, drop item Q. Option, skip. Everything I need to start reeling is here to start. I should just the computer. Okay. Insert the drill into casing. Well, paano ko siya i-grab? Oh, okay. So I just need to keep drilling until magkaroon ng problem dito sa drill natin, and we need to fix it, I think. Napakalakas ng music, by the way. Ang sakit sa tenga. Oh my god. Wala namang spooky stuff dito sa okay, ball secure, okay. Drill bit punch. I think I need to fix the drill na. Need nating palitan yung drill bit. I think. Paano ko siya papalitan? Low. May need ba akong item? Of course. Nope. Okay. Tapos kunin ko to. Then hindi ko na ba ilagay yung drill? Oops! Need ko pa rin data itong okay. And okay. All good. A little bit spooky. Charger charge. So, power lang. Need ko i-charge yung battery. Ito yung battery niya. Okay. It's not bad. Medyo nag-e-enjoy ako sa game na to. Unlike sa previous na mga nilaro ko. Pero feel ko may some sort of monster na magpa-pop up dito sa side na to. Sana hindi. Okay, it's done. Just need to keep going. Huwag natin makuha yung freedom natin. I don't trust this door. Oil level and coolant level. I think nandito siya sa place na to. Alright. Alright. Now this game pretty simple. Need ko lang gawin tong drill. Masisira siya. Still believe na magkakaroon ng some sort of monster this area. Okay, what? Press any key to start drilling level 2. Layer 2. Oh no. Reminder is not coming back. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let's go. Alright. Oh my god. Oh my god, nawala ng kuryente. Oh no, 5 minutes? What? No. Oh my god, may 5 minutes lang tayo. At ito na yung totoong game. Quick! Man, quick! Like notice, bolt, battery charge, and drill bit. Okay. Battery charge. And drill bit. Okay, that's good. Battery naman. Quick. 4 minutes. Ang bagal, what the hell? Mukhang matatalo tayo Mabagal pa naman ako sa mga gantong quick time Quick, bro. Ano need niya? Oil level, coolant. Okay. Um, oh my god. Three minutes. I need to be more quicker. Napakalas ng music, grabe. Ako, makakaproblema pa ata to. 2 minutes. Ayun natin, oil, coolant. God damn it, ang dami. Meron na lang akong 2 minutes, oh my god. Screwdriver. Please. What? Wow. One minute. Ah. Quick. Ang bagal. No, mukhang matatalo tayo. What? Ah, hell yeah, freedom. Hell yeah. Ah. What now? Pakaward naman. Saan ako pupunta? What? This place isn't what it's the rest of the notice on this legend. Best place to close. Huh? What? What? Huh? What? What? No! Oh! Ah, we're dead. Oh no. The other side. I guess that's it. Medyo nag-enjoy ako sa game. I think it's awesome. And it's super suspenseful siya. Unlike sa pure terror na mga nilalaro ko. Yeah, that's the game. Hope you like it. Play it for yourself. It's fun. Oh my god. Meron pa ba? Like what if meron pa? I'm pretty sure wala na. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the game. It's fun. Wala na ako ibang masabi. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye.